Do not change the machine configuration without permission or identification from our technical team. Sinomac is not responsible for the safety problem or economic loss caused by that. Carefully read the operation manual. Recognize safety information and follow operation and maintenance instructions. Understand the caution and safety signals. Check and inspect machine before startup. Do all the preparations. Keep a safe distance from the loader boom from being struck by falling objects. Keep hands and arms clear of frame hinge to avoid crushing hazard. Keep a safe distance from the back of the loader to avoid collision accidents. Keep your hands off the rotating fan to avoid shearing hazard. Watch out when entering the loader by steps to prevent slipping, tripping, and falling. Sound the horn before reversing or operating the loader to make sure there is no person in the working area. Avoid overhauling and maintaining the vehicle with the engine running. Turn off the power when overhauling the engine and electrical system. When the loader is driving, no passenger shall be carried in any place except the cabin. Reduce the driving speed while steering. Sudden steering or slowdown is not allowed. Try to avoid turning the loader on slopes. Drive slowly in rainy, snowy, and other bad weather conditions. No taxiing when going downhill, in the neutral position of the transmission, prevent engine stall. Prevent to drive fast while loading or unloading materials. Keep the material balanced in the bucket when grappling or shoveling. Prevent the transportation of materials when the bucket is raised to the highest position. Put stoppers under tires when stopping on a slope. Always turn off the power switch after working. Be sure to turn off this power switch during transportation, inspection, and maintenance.